Hey Sarah, you look tired. Did you sleep well last night?
Not really. I was up late working on my presentation for tomorrow.
Oh no, that's tough. What's the presentation about?
It's about climate change and its impact on coastal cities.
That sounds interesting. I read an article about rising sea levels recently.
Yes, it's quite alarming. Some cities could be underwater by 2050.
I can't believe how fast things are changing. What can we do about it?
Well, we can start by reducing our carbon footprint.
That's true. I've been trying to use public transport more often.
That's great. Every small action makes a difference.
Hey, do you want to grab a coffee? I know a nice place nearby.
I'd love to, but I need to finish my slides first.
Come on, you need a break. It'll only take 30 minutes.
You're right. Maybe a short break would help me focus better.
Great. Let me show you this new cafe that just opened.
Is it the one on Main Street with the outdoor seating?
Yes, exactly. Their coffee is amazing and they have free Wi-Fi too.
That sounds perfect. I can work on my slides there.
See? Problem solved. You can work and enjoy coffee at the same time.
You always know how to cheer me up, Tom. Thanks.
What are friends for? Let's go before the lunch rush starts.
Wait, let me grab my laptop and notebook.
Sure, take your time. I'll wait for you by the door.
I'm ready now. Oh, I almost forgot my water bottle.
That's the third time this week you've almost forgotten it.
I know, I'm so scatterbrained lately. Too many things on my mind.
Is everything okay? You seem stressed about more than just the presentation.
Honestly, I've been thinking about my career path a lot.
What do you mean? I thought you loved your job.
I do, but I feel like I'm not growing anymore.
Have you talked to your manager about new opportunities?
Not yet. I'm not sure how to bring it up.
You should just be honest. Your manager is really supportive.
I know, but I don't want to sound ungrateful for my current role.
Wanting to grow isn't ungrateful. It's normal and healthy.
When you put it that way, it makes sense.
Plus, you're really good at what you do. Any company would be lucky to have you.
That's very kind of you to say. Thank you, Tom.
I'm just being honest. Now, let's get that coffee.
Okay, lead the way. I could really use a caffeine boost.
So tell me more about this presentation. What's your main argument?
I'm focusing on how rising temperatures affect coastal economies.
That's a smart angle. It makes the problem more relatable.
Exactly. People care more when they see how it affects jobs and money.
Have you included any case studies?
Yes, I'm looking at Miami, Jakarta, and Venice as examples.
Those are great choices. Each one has a different challenge.
Venice has the most visible problem. The flooding is getting worse every year.
I saw a documentary about Venice. They're building flood barriers, right?
Yes, but it's a temporary solution. The real issue is global emissions.
It feels overwhelming when you think about the big picture.
That's why I focus on small, actionable steps in my presentation.
That's a good approach. People need hope, not just fear.
Exactly. I want my audience to feel empowered to make changes.
I think your presentation is going to be amazing.
Thanks, Tom. I feel better already. Talking to you always helps.
Here we are. This is the cafe I was telling you about.
Wow, it looks so cozy inside. I love the decorations.
They have a bookshelf in the corner where you can borrow books.
That's such a nice touch. It feels like a home library.
What would you like to order? My treat today.
Oh, you don't have to do that.
I insist. Consider it a pre-presentation encouragement gift.
Well, in that case, I'll have a caramel latte please.
Good choice. I'm going for a flat white myself.
Have you been here before? You seem to know the menu well.
Yes, I come here every weekend to read and relax.
That sounds lovely. I should find a place like this near my apartment.
There's actually another branch closer to your place.
Really? Where is it?
It's on Oak Avenue, right next to the bookstore you like.
I've never noticed it. I'll check it out this weekend.
You won't regret it. Their pastries are delicious too.
Now you're making me hungry. Maybe I'll try one.
They have an amazing blueberry muffin. It's my favorite.
I'll have to try that. Oh, our coffee is ready.
Let me grab them. You find us a table.
There's a nice spot by the window. Let's sit there.
Perfect. I love watching people walk by while I drink my coffee.
Me too. It's strangely relaxing.
So, back to your career plans. What are you thinking of doing?
I've been considering a master's degree in environmental science.
That's a big commitment. Have you looked into any programs?
I found a few online programs that fit my schedule.
Online could be great. You can work and study at the same time.
Exactly. I don't want to quit my job completely.
What would you specialize in?
I'm interested in environmental policy and urban planning.
That combines your skills perfectly. You'd be great at it.
I'm still nervous about the application process though.
What's the worst that could happen? If you don't try, you'll always wonder.
That's true. I'd rather try and fail than never know.
Exactly. And I'm sure you'll get in. You're very qualified.
Thank you for believing in me. It means a lot.
That's what friends do. We support each other.
I wish more people had your positive attitude.
The world would definitely be a happier place.
So, tell me about your week. Anything exciting happening?
I'm training for a half marathon next month.
That's impressive. How long have you been training?
About 2 months now. I run 5 kilometers every morning.
5 kilometers every day? That's dedication.
It was hard at first, but now I actually look forward to it.
I should start exercising again. I've been so lazy lately.
You could join my running group on weekends. We're very welcoming.
I might take you up on that. What time do you run?
We meet at the park at 7 on Saturday mornings.
7 in the morning on a weekend? That's early.
I know, but the weather is cooler and the park is less crowded.
Fair point. I'll think about it.
No pressure. But the offer is always open.
Thanks. It's nice to have options.
Speaking of options, have you decided what to do after your presentation?
I was thinking of taking a day off to relax.
That sounds like a great idea. You deserve it.
Maybe I'll go to the beach or just stay home and read.
Both sound wonderful. I'd recommend the beach though.
The weather forecast says it'll be sunny on Friday.
Perfect beach weather then. You should go.
I think I will. Sometimes you just need a day to recharge.
I completely agree. Mental health is just as important as physical health.
More people should understand that. We push ourselves too hard.
Society tells us we need to be productive all the time.
And then we feel guilty when we take time for ourselves.
But rest is productive too. It helps us perform better.
You're so wise, Tom. Have you always been like this?
I learned the hard way. I burned out a few years ago.
Really? I never knew that.
I was working 70-hour weeks and barely sleeping.
That sounds terrible. How did you recover?
I took a month off and completely changed my lifestyle.
Good for you. That takes a lot of self-awareness.
Now I prioritize sleep, exercise, and time with friends.
It shows. You seem much happier now.
I am. Life is too short to be stressed all the time.
I need to take a page from your book.
Start small. Maybe just turn off your work emails after 6 p.m.
That alone would reduce my stress by half.
See? Small changes add up over time.
You should become a life coach. You're really good at this.
Ha! Maybe in my next career. For now, I'll stick with software engineering.
Fair enough. Not everyone needs to change careers.
Speaking of careers, I have a meeting in an hour. We should head back.
Already? Time flies when you're having fun.
It really does. But I'm glad we had this chat.
Me too. You've given me a lot to think about.
Let me know how your presentation goes tomorrow.
I will. Wish me luck.
Good luck. But you won't need it. You're going to do great.
Thanks for the coffee and the advice. It was exactly what I needed.
Anytime. See you tomorrow?
Yes, I'll text you after my presentation.
Sounds good. Take care, Sarah.
You too, Tom. And thanks for everything.
Hey Sarah, wait up. I've been meaning to ask you something.
Sure, what's up?
Are you free this Saturday evening? There's a jazz concert at the community center.
A jazz concert? I didn't know you liked jazz.
I've been getting into it lately. It's very relaxing.
I'm not very familiar with jazz, but I'd love to go.
Great. It starts at 7. Should I pick you up at 6:30?
That works perfectly. Should I dress formally?
Not really. It's a casual event. Smart casual is fine.
Okay, good to know. I'll see you on Saturday then.
I'm looking forward to it. I think you'll enjoy the music.
I'm sure I will. It's always good to try new things.
That's the spirit. Life is about new experiences.
By the way, I finished my presentation this morning.
How did it go? I've been thinking about you all day.
It went really well. My manager loved it.
I knew you would do great. Congratulations.
She even suggested I present it at the next company meeting.
That's amazing recognition for your work.
I was so nervous, but all that practice paid off.
See? Hard work always pays off in the end.
And your advice really helped me structure my thoughts better.
I'm glad I could help. That's what colleagues are for.
After the meeting, my manager asked if I'm interested in a promotion.
What? That's huge news. Why didn't you lead with that?
I wanted to tell you in person. It still doesn't feel real.
Tell me everything. What position is it?
Senior analyst with a focus on sustainability projects.
That sounds perfect for you. It combines everything you're passionate about.
I know. I almost cried when she told me.
Did you accept it?
I said I needed a day to think about it.
What's there to think about? It's your dream job.
I know, but the new role involves more travel. I'd be away twice a month.
That could be exciting though. You'd get to see different cities.
That's true. I've always wanted to travel more for work.
Plus, the experience would be great for your master's application.
You're right. I didn't even think about that.
I think you should go for it. Opportunities like this don't come often.
When you lay it all out like that, it seems obvious.
Sometimes we just need someone else to point out what's right in front of us.
Thanks for being that person for me. You're a true friend.
So, are you going to accept it?
Yes, I think I will. I'll call her tomorrow morning.
That's my girl. Let's celebrate this weekend.
The jazz concert will be a celebration then.
Perfect timing. We'll have dinner before the show.
That sounds wonderful. I'm really looking forward to it now.
Me too. It's going to be a great weekend.
I should get going now. I have some research to finish.
Of course. Don't let me keep you from your work.
Thanks for everything today. You really turned my day around.
Just returning the favor. You've helped me plenty of times too.
That's what friends are for, right?
Exactly. See you Saturday at 6:30.
I'll be ready. Don't be late.
Would I ever be late? It's me we're talking about.
Remember last Tuesday? You were 20 minutes late for lunch.
Okay, fair point. I promise I'll be on time on Saturday.
I'm holding you to that promise.
You have my word. Now go finish your research.
Okay. I'm going. See you Saturday.
See you. And congratulations again on the promotion.
Thanks, Tom. Have a great evening.
You too, Sarah. Don't work too hard.
I won't. I'll see you soon.